Hello my dear friend, welcome back. This video I am going to show you two easy way check following list on Facebook. So let's begin. First, open the Facebook app, then tap on your profile icon top left corner. You are in the profile page, scroll down slowly, find the friend section, tap on see all. Here, look at the very top, you can see the following option, tap to open it. Then click on manage button and wait to open it. Here you can see all of the following listed there. However, if you want to decide to second when to check following list, don't worry, this is available. So go back to the Facebook homepage menu, tap on the three-line hamburger menu icon top left corner, scroll through the page, click on settings and privacy, then go to settings. Once you are in the settings, scroll down slowly. This time you can find the your activity section under activity log option. Simply tap on it. Then scroll down again, you can see connection option, open it. Now scroll through the page, located the followers option, tap on manage follower. Then at the very top, located the filters option, click on it, then select categories. Now you can see three different options, but you can select who you have followed and unfollowed. And you can see all of the following listed and unfollowing listed there. That's it. You are done. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel. Goodbye. Take care.